Hey guys, Jared Menzel here over at ArcSite. So I just wanted to take some time to run you through a quick use case for the fencing industry that I keep stumbling upon. So right here, I have just sketched out the back of a house, a garage, and a deck, and then there's a couple tree stumps in the backyard, and that's just a kind of mirror mimic what a job site visit would look like. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look up a solid board diagonal lattice fence, and there it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to sketch it out with my finger like so, and then I can even include the dimensions right here. So all of that is shown within the image. And then this is just a really nice and easy way to give the customer an idea of the fence type that they're getting before it's installed, because the worst thing can happen is you break ground and you start installing this fence and it's not something that they want to move forward with, or they had a different idea of what that fence style was going to look like. So this is just an easy way to resolve that problem. Let me extend this a little bit further, and then you can play around with these measurements if you want to move them to make it a little prettier. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to go to my pictures right here. I'm going to select the solid board diagonal lattice fence type, and I'm just going to drag it and drop it in that lower right hand corner. And that's just going to be to serve as like a reference, just to clarify that that's actually what they want. Like I said, before you break ground and start putting in the fence posts and everything like that. So just a real quick, easy tip that can save you a ton of time. All right. Have a good one.